Do you want to know how to learn on how to do your own hair? Then this is the best bus stop. Like you guys, it has been a minute, it has been some time since I uploaded a hair care video. And guess what? I did this vlog around 2 months ago, and it has taken me time just to edit it. But you guys, as you all know, amazing content is coming up back to back. I'm very much sorry for the late upload, but we're here. So thank you so much for the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. My name is Jacinta, and let's get started. So guys, this is the setup. Like you've seen, I've got coconut oil, two-sided mirror, I've got some bobby pins and accessories, I've got a scratch, I've got a white-toothed comb, I've got a fine comb, and here we go to go. Today I'm going to come up with this beautiful hairstyle that I did like 5 years ago. It was just it was just that COVID moment in times, and I thought, why not? Because I want to do so much of hairstyle videos. So if you want to know more about how you can do your own hair, then please watch till the very end. I'm using solid coconut oil. This is an Alison brand, and it is basically solid oil. You can use liquid, but I'm using solid but it is not the only oil I've used today. So make sure, as you all know, low porosity we tend to use light oils, and high porosity we have to use solid oils, not unless it's just an added oil. As you all know, coconut oil is a moisturizer but not a sealant. Prior to this, I've used a mixture of amla oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. So I'm sectioning my hair into sections as you have seen me do this, and as I'll be giving you tutorials on how to do this. Guys, don't mind my edges, I'm still working on this, and probably a video will be coming very soon. So if you're new here, please welcome to the family, and here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. We upload videos almost every week, but shoots are daily upload. So guys, for those who've reached out to check on me, thank you so much. I am doing pretty good. Life is lifing, and I'm grateful for the gift of life from God. The other side, on this channel, will also do motivational content. So if you're a Christian lady and you are saved, be sure to DM me on my Facebook page at Ms Jacinta and join our ministry. It is global and will inspire ladies fulfill their God-given callings in ministry. So with this part of this section, I'm sectioning again my hair into two sections. As you have seen, and in the first section, I am twisting clockwise so that you can see. And then the second section again, I'm going to twist it clockwise again. Don't mind about my crooked lines. We're not here for perfection. We are natural, and we just want to make things happen. How can you straighten your own hair? You can as well use this method of twisting. It's also another method. So you've seen the two. I've twisted them, and we are going to the other section. And so guys, a disclaimer, I did this hairstyle when my hair was not good. I was facing too much itching because I tend to use someone's oil, of which I didn't know she had mixed with avocado oil. And if you've watched me for some time, you know that I'm allergic to avocado oil. My scalp doesn't adapt, so I'm just making it happen. So guys, with this end part, we are going in with pure water just to spray. So ensure you're having a spray bottle if you want your hair to grow thick, to grow long, and to grow healthy. On this channel, we're seeking for healthy hair but not long hair, because healthy hair will beget long hair. With this back part, I'm twisting this lower section into a greater twist, as you've seen me do it, because with this one we are going to roll tack over. It is not going to be as little as the first ones, and so I had not done it well, so I redid it, as you can see. So if you've got any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. And please don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're new here. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Please put your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. So there are different hairstyles for ladies with longer hair. It just depends with you, girl. So if you want to learn so much hairstyles on how you can do your own hair, like 5-minute style, 2-minute style, please, this is the place to be. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't, and come again back later, because I'm going to upload so many videos coming up. And guess what, guys, recently I've been in the village, and I can't just wait to share with you the 2 amazing videos that I shot in the village. I know you guys like village videos, so be sure to put your bell notification on, because I'm going to post that video very soon, coming the month of May. So guys, this style, can it be done by people with short hair? I think it can be applied, just it depends with your hair. Maybe you can stretch it. So I forgot to tell you, my hair is 4C, low porosity, and I am styling my hair in its natural state. This means that it's pure virgin and it's not stretched. So you can try this style, but if your hair is blown out or stretched, sometimes it may not turn out the way I've done it. So don't blame me, girl. My hair is virgin, and with virgin hair I mean it is not stretched or there is no heat used. Are we together? So there's different hairstyles for long hair, for short hair, for medium hair. It depends with you. You just have to. The good thing about these roller tracking hairstyles, they're just good and proper with any style according to your hair type. But again, you have to know that the style you make should go with your hair head shape. Are we together? Are we together, girls? So, how do you learn how to style your own hair? It is just a matter of time. Give it time and don't seek for perfection, because with this one, I can tell you, even those people who style brides, guys, I've been privileged to style braids for 2 sessions, and guys, that work is a whole lot of work. So you just pay those people who do bridal makeups and everything very well, because that work is not easy. The way I'm styling my hair today, tomorrow I might wake up and it might not come. It doesn't mean that I don't know how to style. It's just nature. This is just art. So as you've seen with this section, I roll its section, and then I'm tucking it with a bobby pin. And with me, I'm using at least longer bobby pins because my hair is super long. And if your hair is short, I'm encouraging you to use those smaller bobby pins. So it's popping, and I love this hairstyle, you guys. I love this hairstyle. I think I'll be attaching a photo here of the picture of this hairstyle that I did years back. When I was just beginning this hair journey, I just wanted college, and why not? So this is it, guys. We are almost winding up, and just to make everything perfect, I usually spray my hair with water and then tie it into a scarf. And this one is optional. It's not for everybody. It's just optional. If you want to do edges again, it's optional. For me, my edges are damaged, and it's a result of doing so much tightened cornrows. With this set scarf, we just do it for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then we back to undo it so that we can see the perfection of it. Oh, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And this is the outcome, guys. So with this part, oh my goodness, this camera has not just done me justice. I can't just wait to get a new camera and shoot nice quality content. I'm also in need of a microphone, and I will never stop advocating for this until help comes. So please bless this lady with a golden microphone. So guys, this is what you've seen, and the style is popping. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button again, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Ms Jacinta. You can email me. Everything is in the description box. You can ask any questions. You can follow me on TikTok. And let's learn, guys. For this and daily more updates, follow my group on Facebook at African Virgin Hair Improvement. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I just wanna see you in the next one, and have a lovely time. Please don't forget to get to know your purpose and chase it like nobody's business. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Give me a sweet comment in the comment section, and please be sure to come back for the next video. I'm so sorry for failing to upload back to back lately. I've been so busy, but I've been busy making something good for you. Do you like these styles?